What's up, guys? It's September 23rd, 2024. Had a sideways day in the market. I think today was tough. I had a tough time. I only had one profitable trade and I got ripped up here. Yeah, still learning. So, daily chart. We had a gap up, a pullback, and a strong bull bar, and we're getting bad follow through. So far, we haven't had a close above the high. We tested it once and then we sold back off until just around Thursday's low. Thursday's high, excuse me. Thursday's close. There we go. 45-minute chart, daily chart, going sideways for quite some since last week. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what happens. Bulls are getting bad follow through. Bears definitely want to see a reversal. Bulls want to see continuation at highs. We have a gap up, but bar one's a bear bar, closing around its midpoint, so not good for the Bulls, but now also not the best close for the Bears. Bears want a strong close lower. Bar 2 is an inside bar. Bar 3, bull bar. Bar 4, deep pullback. Right now the market's range bound. Lots of overlap. Bulls are buying bear bars. Bulls are buying bear bars and bears are shorting bull bars. Goes sideways for the first 30 minutes of the day until bar 9, about 40 minutes. Bar 10 sells off and reverses higher, but has a bad close. So what is it breaking out of? It's not really breaking out of much. A lot of overlap. Bar 11, excuse me, 2 seconds. Bar 11, it raced up and then closed below its midpoint. Not good for the bulls, but it is a bull bar. Not closing far above bar 10. Bar 12, 13, and 14. Leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. It's a bear channel. I think it's strong enough to get a leg 2. Very deep pullback. Bar 15. Bad. This actually kind of looks like the daily chart right now. Hold on. Look at 15, 16, 17. 15, 16, 17. Not so much, but kind of. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So where are we? Here, double top, sells off. Market is more range bound now. So we had a range here. And now we haven't, and that range went out to here. When we're range bound, it's buy low, sell high. So you want to sell in the upper third, nothing in the middle, buy the bottom third. Sell off leg, excuse me. So yeah, leg 1, pull back leg 2. Bulls buy the EMA and they get a rally for 4 bars. However, high 1 at the high of a trading range usually has more sellers. Bar 29 is the high 1. Bar 30 sells off. Bar 31, 32, 33. Bear channel with a gap finally. So bears have one gap open here. And they have another gap open here with the high of 32. The low of 32 and the high of 34. And then they sell off for a few legs lower. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2, pull back, leg 3. And there's a lot of implied legs. Here's an implied 3 pushes down. And then they fail to tag the higher time frame EMA reverses bar 44 as an inside bar. Leg 1, pull back, leg 2 for the bulls. And we start to go more sideways for the rest of the day. See, it's a tight trading range. Really challenging day to trade if you ask me. Every time I was ready to get out of my short, it reversed lower and then trapped me, so I held a little bit longer. So yeah, pretty tough day. If we look at the gaps, no gap stayed open. Closed. Here was the one gap, it closed. Here's one. Excuse me, I got a cough again. One gap, it closed there. Another gap closed here. And then another gap. Another gap got put open. Another gap gets put open. And then it sells off. And then bulls start to try and close the gap. Bar 33's gap gets closed around bars. This bar range. And then this gap gets tested on these highs. You can actually see 78 went above it and reversed lower. So both these gaps closed. Something to think about today. No gaps are staying open. Today's a pretty short one. Yeah, it's a short one. It's range bound price action. They didn't do too bad. I didn't take profits when I should have. Had I had to take profits on my short and scalped out my long, it would have been a green day. That was a little bit stubborn, and yeah, my winners turned to losers today. I still got chopped up right around this price action here. Yeah, I study Al Brooks and Ali Morin Afshari. I've been training for about 3 years now. Still not profitable, so I just want everyone to know where you're at if you're following me. Like, I'm not no guru by any means. Anyways, you guys have a good one. Thanks for your support. Today was a quick one. Hope you guys had a good weekend. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.